Don't do this to me, He-Man. Don't make me come all the way out here by myself, only to...
I wouldn't disappoint you, Skeletor.
Typical He-Man style. You creep up behind me and then don't have the brains to take advantage of it.
I don't need to resort to your kind of tactics to beat you, Skeletor.
I'll remember you said that when I tell the story of how I crushed you.
This is your final battle.
How right you are!
He-Man, here we come! This is even better than the flight simulator! Careful, Pat, this is for real. We could hit He-Man.
So this is what you're made of, huh? This is how the great He-Man keeps his word to battle man to man.
I knew nothing of this, Skeletor. You have my word.
Your word doesn't impress me anymore. Naughty, naughty. Springing a trap on me. Maybe you've been hanging around me too long. Some of me must be rubbing off on you. You and your starship win this battle. But we shall meet again! Or perhaps not.
He-Man, the mutants have attacked Primus. They're overwhelming the planet. Skeletor tricked you into leaving Primus.
Then we must return at once.
Look out, He-Man. You're in for pain. Thanks to Skeletor's asteroid raid.
What's that?
Quickly, to the ship! These asteroids are for me, not you!
He-Man!
Go! Save yourselves in the starship!
No! First rule for a good soldier is to obey orders.
You must see with your heart, He-Man, not with your eyes. With your heart. With your heart. With your heart.